It's 32 outstanding students from top 9 universities, 8 days of intensive training, and brilliant projects that could change the world. It is the longest running CSR initiative across the world, initiated by Huawei. This program seeks to develop local talent, build elite network, share knowledge, and increase ICT sector awareness. Tech for Good was the most challenging, yet the most exciting part. All the SEEDS participants had the opportunity to address an existing social problem using technology aligned with the 17 SDGs. Not only the top 3 winning teams will be given the opportunity to receive 100K USD startup fund, but they will also have the opportunity to attend the startup sprint in China.
This is not just an opportunity for them to come up with solutions for societal problems, but this enables them to gain soft skills, which is important for the outside world, the corporate world.
Hope for the future, seeds for the future.